3 months after its Geneva Motor Show premiere, the Renegade plug-in hybrid will be making its on-road debut at the 2019 Turin Auto Show in Italy. Jeep's first small electrified SUV will be displayed at the Parco del Valentino between June 19 and 23, and will also parade around the city center circuit, after setting off from Piazza Vittorio Veneto. The main characteristic of the Renegade PHEV is, of course, the powertrain, which combines a new 1.3-liter turbocharged petrol 4 with an electric motor. Maximum output is 237 horsepower, which allows for a 0 to 100 km per hour, 0 to 62 miles per hour, sprint in roughly 7 seconds. With the battery fully charged, either by the ICE or using a regular socket, the Renegade PHEV has a zero-emission driving range of 50 km, 31 miles. Carbon dioxide emissions are kept in check at 50 grams/km, making it friendlier to the environment than any other version currently on sale. Thanks to the clever torque distribution of the ICE and electric motor, Jeep claims that the model provides extreme precision during takeoff and while driving on the most challenging terrain. The EO technology makes sure that the two axles work separately, and the configuration eliminates the need for a low-range gearbox. Joining the electrified Renegade in Turin will be the Compass PHEV, which uses an identical powertrain and has very similar performance.